know what I never understood is how there can be traffic in the middle of nowhere. There's no crash. There's no work going on. There's just traffic. Like, we are on the 4-lane highway, stopped for no reason. Like, I'm looking ahead. I'm looking on my map. There's no crash. There's no accident. There's no police officers coming. It seems like we're going to be going this slow for a while. So hopefully these should be the last clips before we get to Troy. But depends on how long I'm stuck in traffic for tonight. But otherwise, I'm gonna roll some kind of montage, time lapse, something going to Troy.
What's up, guys? I'm Jack Jeffers. This is my ice cream. We're at Troy University today. Just getting lunch. While he's on his way to Pensacola, I just realized I had this really close to my face.
No, it's fine.
This is my friend Kevin.
I don't want the clip to be like 9 years long. This man bought me lunch to visit his university because I did a video for him. That's not my car, actually. I totally thought that was my car. Where is my car? Surprise vlogging. Tell the people about yourself.
Hey, I'm Jack Jeffers. I go to this school, Troy University. I'm a math major, 21. I'm from Jackson.
And single.
Do a lot of girls watch your videos?
No one watches my videos. Well, Jack, anything you want to say to the prospects?
That's my least favorite lyric.
Is it? That's my favorite.
Really?
Just the visual of the dare officer coming down being like, it's far for the prospects. Like,
where's the most wilderness place you're going?
Like Montana.
Like a nice tooth.
They're actually sharp. You could cut yourself.
I figured that out when I cut myself. You can hunt a bear in Montana.
With my throwing knives.
So yeah, I used to go hunting in the woods. It was like 50 feet wide, but there were trees, and my cat would follow me. And so I'd take a BB gun and a big hunting knife that I got at a gun show. I would shoot little birds, and then my cat would fetch them and eat them.
That's awful.
But we came upon the other side, and there was a turkey there, and I knew that the BB gun wasn't gonna get him, and I knew that the cat wasn't gonna get him. So I just threw my knife at it, hoping that the blade would get it, and the back of it just knocked it in the back, and then it flew away. That's when I learned that turkeys could fly.
Oh, you're one of those people?
One of those people. Like I'm a racist or something. Oh, fuck you. You didn't know turkeys could fly. Hey, look, they're getting married or something.
Wow. It's like I'm in a whole nother
45 this morning.
I'm in a whole nother season compared to Missouri, though. Everything is nice.
Look.
It's another marriage. Wow.
I think it might just be prom.
No, it's marriage.
2 marriages at once. We all tried to get married, and that's why nobody was coming to my wedding. We're all getting married.
On the same day.
You passed my dorm. Were you taking me with you? They're not getting married.
Do you want to go?
To Destin?
Yeah, well, you can't come back, but you can fly back, I guess, if you have an airport. Okay, Jack, part 2. Anything you gotta say?
You give me warnings.
Oh, it's spontaneous.
To be or not to be, that is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against the sea of troubles and by opposing it end them, to die, to sleep.
Why do you know this? Why do you know that whole thing? We're gonna leave that in there unedited. It's gonna be like 13 seconds long.
Plot twist. We're going to Pensacola.
It is actually a Friday, so I could probably technically take you.
I have a lot of homework and some tests.
You got a lot of math to do.
I have 2 tests on Monday and 1 on Wednesday. So
some discrete graphs to fill out.
Something like that.
Okay, bye. Well, there goes my company for 2 hours. Probably gonna move the shot back over to where it's facing a little bit more towards me. Well, guys, we made it to Destin, and there's the ocean horizon right there. I thought I'd be able to make it here before full sundown, but sadly, it's a little bit dark now. We're only about 10 minutes away, but I mean, I still got all the location shots at Troy, so it's not a complete car ride video, it's just partially. I had to check if you could even see me. I am super excited for tomorrow though, because then we'll be doing shots around Destin and then going to camp at Wakula Springs. Today's episode isn't that interesting. You can stay tuned, and that will be a lot of photography and much cooler video stuff.